Hey everyone, welcome to the session of Seaborn. And in this session of Seaborn, we will be working on box plots. So let's get started. Let's import our package of Seaborn, SNS. And in this tutorial, we will be working on a tips dataset, which is already preloaded in your Seaborn library. So you just have to load it and say tips. Okay, let's have a look at the dataset. So this is your dataset. This is a dataset about a restaurant which has total bill, tip, female and male, smoker, which time of the day, lunch or dinner. So let's see first of all what is a box plot. So let's plot it. Finish dot box plot, and we have our data as tips, and we want box plot of total bill. Okay, so here we have a box plot. Now before I tell you what is a box plot, just have a look at this table. Now the table you see here, it's describing this 25%, 50%, 75%. These values are first quartile, this is the median, Q2, and this is Q3, third quartile. So these values are represented in box plot. So as you can see, the first quartile 25% is 13.34. So we have first quartile as this, which is 13 point something, and this is the median, and we have the minimum value of total bill as 3, which is this. And these dots you see, these are the outlier values, or the values which are rarely present in the data set. They are not uniformly distributed. Okay, so let's start our discussion. First of all, we'll plot a box plot of, say, x-axis we want our sex parameter, and y we have our total bill. Okay, and our data is tips. So we have a plot of male versus female. Now the total bill generated by male is slightly a bit higher than the female. You can see the median value is also higher than the median value of the female, as well as the first quartile is also higher than the female's first quartile. Now we have one more parameter, let's say dot box plot, and we want to see on the x-axis the day, which day it is, and on the y-axis we want our total bill. Okay, and let's segregate these values on the basis of the gender. So we have a hue parameter, and we have our data as tips. All right, so you can see the days are Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and the total bill generated by male is higher on the weekdays, that is Thursday and Friday, but on Saturday the bill generated by females are higher. All right, let's look it a bit further. Now you can do one more thing. If you don't like the shade of this graph, you are always welcome to change it by the palette argument, and you want to pass HUSL, and you can always get to get your another shade. Now let's plot a box plot of, on the x-axis we want our day, and y-axis we want our total bill. Now let's segregate them on the basis of smoker and non-smoker, whether the customer is a smoker or non-smoker. So we'll use our hue parameter and we'll say smoker, and we'll pass our data as tips. Okay, let's have a look. So you can see that on Saturday and Sunday the quantity of smokers increases. All right. Now let's see what time do they come to the restaurant, whether they come for the lunch or dinner. So we'll remove our hue as smoker and put the column of time, and let's see. Okay, so on Saturday and Sunday they only come for dinner, whereas on Friday they come for both lunch and dinner. All right. Now we are interested to know how many females and how many men come for the food. So let's plot another box plot which specifies x as the sex and your y-axis as the total bill, and we want to see what time do they get on the restaurant with data equal to tips. Alright, so you can see that for lunch, male are less in number and female are more in number. Okay, now we wanna see one more thing. If you want to change the order of your parameters, and by change I mean this. On the x-axis you want your day, which day it is, and on the y you are giving the total bill. Okay, now we have an order argument, which is order equal to, we know the days are Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Now we want our order in reverse, so let's put it Sunday, Saturday, okay, Friday and Thursday, and we have our data as tips. Okay, now you can see it has generated a reverse value of the days, so you can do this also. Now another thing which we can see is the tip. Okay, we want to see how much they tip. So SNS dot box plot, and we have x on 6 and y. We want to see the tip, and u we pass as the time of the day, whether they come for the lunch or dinner. Okay, and let's provide our data as tips. Oh, okay, I haven't put this in quotes. This is time. All right. Yeah. So the tip is higher in usually the lunch, you can say. Alright, now the last thing, let's see who tips higher, male or female. So SNS dot box plot, on the x-axis you keep for sex, on the y-axis you keep it for the tip, okay, and data you have as tips. So we can see that the male usually tips a bit higher than the female. A slightly higher tip goes for the male. Okay, so these are all the things, all the arguments you can use in a box plot, and you are always welcome to, change the arguments and try different examples with these. So this is it for the session of box plot videos. Thank you so much.